Harvey,
fall,
I am going to fall on camera.
That would be awesome, I think.
So it's Sunday. We're out at a job site and we're checking on Joe, bringing him snacks and learning to fly a drone.
It's rough.
It's not that bad. I'm an expert. Harvey, on the other hand.
I'm to blame if there's bad video.
So let's see how we do this beautiful New Hampshire day. It's great. It's nice and warm.
I made it.
Let's see the show business face. That was the worst show business face I've ever seen. So how's it going, Joe?
It's going.
As he knocks me out. What you doing today?
Starting in stumping on this place.
Yeah?
And it's going to be all pasture. But for right now, we're popping stumps, piling stumps, making a couple burn piles, sorting out the big rocks. It's good right now because it's semi-frozen. So I'm staying on top, but as it starts to, the sun comes out, I'll dry, and I mean, it's going to get reworked multiple times before it's like seed ready, but the goal right now is to just get it stumped and de-rocked and kind of somewhat worked level.
Nice, and it's going
Yeah,
okay
I don't
so
know.
far?
I've been, what time is it? 12:40. I think I got out here at like 11:40. So hour and a half or so.
Yeah.
Got this area stumped. I mean, that's the remnants of stump. It doesn't probably look like a big area, especially when you look around the whole thing. I just sort of picked the spot in the middle, drove into the middle so I can work my way little roads out and side to side, and over there if I'm going to windrow anything, I can windrow it along roadways.
How about that blueberry cobbler donut from Dunkin'?
It's leaking.
Is that, what would you rate that?
Give it a 10.
I didn't try it, but I saw it on the menu and I thought,
well, remember
might be a nice little treat.
They didn't have it on the main menu, and I pulled up to the thing and it has a sign, would you like to try a blueberry cobbler? I'm like, yeah, I would have if you told me back where I could order one.
Well, cool.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to get some extra footage.
Oh, look at this. We got a blender sponsorship going or something. You two need some blenders. Well,
why, when they see your pretty face with that long hair?
oh, I bet.
All right, well, we're going to put together some footage, let you work.
I'm going to go another couple, 2, 3, 4 hours and see. Then I'll have a good idea of how long it's going to take to give the customer an idea.
Yeah.
An idea of what I feel like it'll take to get the rest of it.
All right.
At least to this point, anyway.
Very cool. Well,
Yeah.
coffee break's over, get back to work.
Don't have a cup holder in there, so the coffee break's going to be pound the thing.
All right, it's been a few hours, so we are going to see the progress Joe has made.
Still funny.
We're gonna shut down the excavator, clean out the tracks, and head home for family dinner.